In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with a Fortnite gift card. This process is simple and can be done from either your phone or PC. Let's get started. First, you'll need to visit the Fortnite Redeem website. Open your preferred browser, whether that's on your phone or your computer, and type in the following web address, fortnite.com/VBucksCard. This is the official site where you can redeem your V-Bucks card securely and efficiently. Next, you'll need to sign into your Epic Games account. This is the account you use to play Fortnite. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to avoid any issues later on. Logging in here is crucial because your V-Bucks will be credited to this account. Once you've logged in, you'll see an option that says Get Started. Click on this to begin the redemption process. This step is important because it initiates the sequence that will apply your gift card to your account. Now it's time to enter your gift card code. You should have a code that is between 12 and 16 digits long. Carefully type this code into the provided field and double-check for any errors. When you're sure everything is correct, click Next. After entering your code, you will be prompted to confirm the redemption. Take a moment to review the details on the screen. Make sure everything looks right, and then click Confirm or Redeem to finalize the transaction. At this point, your V-Bucks should be successfully added to your account. It's important to note that this process must be completed on the Epic Games website, not in-game. This ensures that the V-Bucks are correctly allocated to your Epic account rather than remaining on the physical card. Remember, by following these steps, you're ensuring a smooth and secure transaction. The V-Bucks will be ready for you to use in Fortnite, giving you access to a wide range of exciting in-game purchases. And there you have it. You've successfully redeemed your Fortnite gift card. You can now enjoy spending your V-Bucks on whatever in-game items you desire. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!